Hello everyone. Welcome to an academy. My name is Ashish and I do teach logical reasoning and data interpretation for CAT. I welcome all of you once again to your an academy CAT YouTube channel for your CAT 2021 preparation. Guys, let's start straight away. Before starting, let me introduce myself very briefly. So, as I've already mentioned, my name is Ashish and I'm a next time faculty. I have an overall experience of 9 plus years now, and starting from 2017, I have always produced a student who scores more than 99.9 plus percentile. Guys, एक बहुत important बात है क्या, if you are looking for basic topic concept revision, तो guys here you are at the right place. On this channel, my official and academy channel, I have all the topics well explained in the form of playlist in multiple sessions. This is roots and networks, a major topic. I have discussed entire root and networks in 6 sessions, Venn diagrams in 10 sessions, cubes and cuboids in 4 sessions, maxima minima in multiple sessions. एक पेज पे इतना ही दिख रहा था इसलिए इतना ही आपको दिखाया है, बट ऑन द चैनल यू ऑन द प्लेलिस्ट you have all the topics that are part of syllabus for CAT with their links as well. Also, if you are done with your basics, I have something for everybody. If you are done with your basics, तो you can check out my probable DILR sessions. इसमें भी डिस्कस एग्जाम लेवल सेशंस, और ये कंटिन्यूटी में है, ये चल रहा है 29 तक आप देख पा रहे हो इस पेज पे, बट 40 क्रॉस हो चुका है नंबर ऑफ सेशंस एंड विल कीप ऑन एडिंग मोर सेशंस टू इट. अगेन सारा का सारा प्लेलिस्ट विथ देयर लिंक्स is available on this channel. The channel name is unacademy_ashish. Description में channel का link है, you can join it from there as well. Also, you can connect me personally if you need some guidance for CAT 21 or CAT 22. Also for OMETs, you can reach me out personally, guys. So, and on the channel, you will also get the complete playlist for PYQs and OMITs. OMITs is other management interest टेस्ट. स्नैप हो गया, CMAT हो गया, IFT हो गया, SAT हो गया, इनके सेशंस भी प्लेलिस्ट के फॉर्म में आपको इस चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे. चलो गाइस, लेट्स मूव अहेड. This is my channel. Look for unacademy_ashish on Telegram and you'll reach to my channel. Guys, this is very important. We are launching multiple batches. 6 तारीख को एक बैच है, like crash course batch for 21. I'm a part of it. I mean, I'll be taking care of logical reasoning, data interpretation. Not only this, 9th को we are starting a foundation batch for CAT 2022, जहाँ पे the topics would be discussed in detail. Also 9th November we are starting a batch for OMETs. CMAT के लिए एक batch शुरू कर रहे हैं. You can be benefited from all of these sessions, but for the same you need to take plus subscription, guys, and plus subscription is very much affordable. 6 months का subscription comes in only 16,400, 18 month का subscription comes in 28,550, and 24 months का subscription comes in 32,800. 10% का डिस्काउंट आपको तीनों भी प्राइस तीनों भी सब्सक्रिप्शंस पे मिल जाएगा if you apply any standard educator code. Mine is ask10. You can apply ask10 to get additional 10% discount over these prices. You will be able to access multiple batches, doubt session, mocks, GDPIs, not only for CAT but for all major management examinations, only in one subscription. Come on guys, if you are looking for some personalized stuff, आपको personalized classes चाहिए, personalized doubt session चाहिए, study planner चाहिए, 1:1 mentoring चाहिए, आपके टेस्ट का पर्सनल एनालिसिस चाहिए, वीक एरियाज फिगर आउट करना चाहिए, आपको एडिशनल मटेरियल चाहिए, आपको एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस चाहिए बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग, यू हैव टू गो विद आइकनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन. देन दिस इज पर्सनलाइज स्टफ. प्लस क्या सारा कंटेंट तो है ही, उसमें आपको पर्सनलाइज स्टफ ऐड हो जाता है. प्राइसेस डेफिनेटली थोड़े से ज़्यादा है प्लस से, बट स्टिल इट इज़ नॉमिनल इटसेल्फ. 6 मंथ्स का 25,800, 12 मंथ्स का 39,500 एंड 24 मंथ्स का 59,999. 10% का एडिशनल डिस्काउंट आपको मिल जाएगा इफ़ यू अप्लाई द कोड ASK10. Guys, if you have any query regarding plus subscription, you can reach me out on my channel. चैनल पे आ जाओ और पूछ लो डायरेक्टली क्या क्वेरी है. If I am capable of answering your question, I'll answer your question. Okay guys, Chalo, let's start the set for the day. So read this question. Read this question. I'll give you 3-4 minutes, and then we'll start solving the question together. एक बार पहले आप try कर लो. Have a sense of the question. This is Premiere, so I won't be giving you much time to solve. थोड़ा सा बस देख लो. Have understanding of the question. But if you want some time to solve the question, you can pause the Premiere. और pause करने के बाद you can attempt take as much time as you want to, and then come back and watch the solution. But as of now, I'll give you a couple of minutes to read and understand the scenario given in question. So read it, guys. Come on. Healthy Bites is a fast food joint serving three items: burgers, fries, and ice cream. McD hai. It has two employees, Anish and Bani, who prepare the items ordered by the clients. Preparation time is 10 minutes for a burger. Burger को बनाने में you take 10 minutes. 2 minutes for an order of ice cream. For ice cream you take 2 minutes. Okay. An employee can prepare only one of these items at a time. So an employee can prepare either a burger or fries, but not both together. Either he has to prepare only one of these items at a specific time. The fries are prepared in an automatic fryer which can prepare up to 3 portions of fries at a time and take 5 minutes irrespective of the number of portions. Okay, so fries are prepared in an automatic fryer which can prepare up to 3 portions of fries at a time और 5 मिनट टाइम लगता है फ्रायर को. Okay, the fryer does not need an employee to constantly attend to it. Okay, the fryer does not need anyone to constantly attend it. इसका मतलब क्या कि आपने फ्रायर चालू कर दिया and you are making a burger. So simultaneously a person can make a burger as well as fryer. Fryer does not require any constant observation. It is given in the question. It makes our life much more simple. And we can ignore the time taken by an employee to start and stop the fryer. Also it is given कि fryer को start या stop करने में जो time लगेगा, you can ignore that time. Okay. Thus, an employee can be engaged in preparing other items while the frying is on. ये तो हमने discuss कर लिया. However, the fries cannot be prepared in anticipation of future orders. हाँ, लेकिन ये नहीं कर सकते कि फ्यूचर में ऑर्डर आएगा तो फ्राइज बनाएंगे तो बर्गर तो उसके लिए बना के रखते हैं. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर लाइक कीप वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फ्राइज अप फ्रंट. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट. जैसे जैसे ऑर्डर आएगा वैसे वैसे आप फ्राइज या बर्गर या आइसक्रीम प्रिपेयर करके देते जाओगे. ठीक है. चलो. Now the Healthy Bites, नाम है Healthy Bites and they are selling fries and burger. So Healthy Bites wishes to serve the orders as early as possible. The individual items in any order are served as and when ready. Individual items are served जैसे जैसे आइटम बन रहा है वैसे वैसे वो सर्व करते जाते हैं. However, the order is considered to be completely served only when all the items of that order are served. However, the order is said to be completely served only when all the items are served. Okay. चलो. The table below gives the orders of the three clients and the times at which they placed the orders. So we have in this table three clients. Client 1 showed up at 10 a.m. or p.m. let it be. Okay, 10 a.m. पकड़ते. All of them would be then in a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. And the order was एक burger, 3 fries and 1 order of ice cream. 10 बजे इसने order डाला. 10:05 को second client came in and he ordered 2 portions of fries, 1 order of ice cream. Awesome. And 10:07 ko the third person came in with the order of 1 burger and 1 portion of fries. Awesome. We have 2 employees. First one of them is Anish, second one of them is Bani. Okay. Now the question is, assume that only one client's order can be processed at any given point of time. मतलब जब आपने क्लाइंट 1 का ऑर्डर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, ऑल्दो क्लाइंट 2 का ऑर्डर आ चुका है, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ क्लाइंट 2. unless and until you are done with the order of client 1. Okay, this is the criteria that is given in the question. So Anish or Bani cannot start preparing a new order while the previous order is being prepared. So Anish and Bani cannot start preparing a new order while the previous order is being prepared. Awesome. At what time order placed by client 1 will be completely served? Okay, so at what time order of client 1 will be completely served? This is what was the question. तो क्लाइंट वन का ऑर्डर क्या था छोटू? क्लाइंट वन का ऑर्डर है बर्गर, फ्राइज एंड आइसक्रीम. सो व्हाट वी कैन से कि बर्गर is taken care by, let me say, Anish, started at 10, will be done at 10:10. Bolo yes sir. Burger will be started, Anish will start preparing the burger at 10 a.m. and will finish by 10:10. Okay. uh, in addition to burger, Anish can also prepare fries. Yes or no? Fries can be prepared either by Anish or by both of them. So if Anish has a space, इसको Anish में डाल देते हैं. So and fries will be started at 10 and will be end at 10:05. Okay. So Anish started preparing burger, started at 10, will finish at 10:10. Anish started preparing fries, started at 10 and at 10:05. What about the third item, ice cream? Ice cream can be prepared by Bani. Okay, started at 10, will finish at 2 minutes. Ice cream takes only 2 minutes na? Okay, so ice cream 10:02 में finish है, fries 10:05 में finish है और burger 10:10 में finish है. An order is said to be completely served only when all the items of that order are served, which means client 1 can be served at 10:10 completely. बोलो yes sir. Client 1 can be served at 10:10 completely. Yes sir. Let's move to next question. Check this question out, guys. Check this question out. I'll give you a couple of minutes. Understand the question. General data तो हमने देख लिया, ये table हमने समझ लिया. Question है. Question, read the question, try to attempt it. A couple of minutes and we'll start discussing. If you need some more time, you can always pause this stream. Although this is not live, we are premiering this one. You can pause this stream and you can attempt, take as much time as you want. I recommend 5 minutes and then solve it and then check the solution. Come on guys, do check it. Assume that only one client's order can be processed at any point of time. So Anish and Bani cannot start preparing a new order while the previous order is being prepared. At what time? अच्छा ठीक है, एक टाइम पे एक ही क्लाइंट का ऑर्डर आप प्रिपेयर करने वाले हो, करेक्ट? तो एट व्हाट टाइम यू विल बी डन विथ द ऑर्डर ऑफ क्लाइंट 3? दिस इज व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन. लेट्स स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग इट. अगर आपको अभी भी टाइम चाहिए गाइस, तो यू कैन पाउज द स्ट्रीम एंड यू कैन टेक टाइम. चलो, तो हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व किया ना कि दिस विल बी डन बाय 10:10. ओके, नाउ 10:10 पे यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द ऑर्डर ऑफ सेकेंड क्लाइंट. ओके, 2 portions of fries, 1 portion of ice cream. So one of them will make ice cream, the other one will make fries, and the order will be done at 10:15. Fries takes 5 minutes, ice cream takes 2 minutes. So 10:15 पे the second order will be finished. You are going to start third order in 10:15. Chalo, you have one burger and 1 portion of fries. One of them will make burger, and the other one will make fries. So burger takes 10 minutes, fries take 5 minutes. So we will consider 10 minutes because burger is taking 10 minutes. So the third order can be prepared by 10:25. So all of the 3 clients can be served at what time? 10:25 at the earliest, if they are not allowed to work on 2 orders simultaneously. This is the answer when they are allowed to work on they are not allowed to work on two clients simultaneously. I hope you understand. They are allowed to work only on one client at any given point of time. 1025 was right answer to this question. It's again a cat question, guys. चलो, the third question, attempt this. अब यहाँ पे they have changed the criteria. Suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time. They are allowed to process multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be given to finish orders of the client who placed their orders earlier. So they are allowed to work on multiple orders simultaneously, but preference would be given to those who placed their orders earlier. Considering this criteria, at what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? Take some time, answer this. अब एक साथ दो ऑर्डर पे आप काम कर सकते हैं, तो क्लाइंट 2 का कितना टाइम लगेगा टू completely serve it? Answer this, guys. Suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish orders of clients who placed their orders earlier. At what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? चलो, chalo guys, if you need some more time, pause the video and attempt it and then come back and watch the solution. Till then we'll start discussing it. Chalo, देखो, we have two clients. We have two employees, Anish and Bani. Let us assign orders of client 1 to both of them. So Anish started to make a burger of client 1. ठीक है? And at the same time, let us say कि Bani started to make for client 1 itself fries plus ice cream. He can do that, na? Yes sir, he can do that. Fries and ice cream. Okay. So Anish will be done at what time? Anish will be done at 10:10. Correct. Meanwhile, Bani would be done at 10:05. Okay. And at this point, order of client 1 is completely done. At 10:10, order of client 1 is completely done. But Bani is free by 10:05. Bani 10:05 से free है. The second order flew in at 10:05 only. देखो ध्यान से. The second order flew in at 10:05. So Bani can start working on second order, na? Now Bani at 10:05 can start working on client second order. और client second का order क्या है? Fries and ice cream. Bani can start working on both of them. Like fries के लिए तो monitor करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. He can make ice cream. He can start the fryer and he can start working on ice cream. So this order will be finished at 10:10. Bani single-handedly can prepare order of client 2 by in 5 minutes. Yes or no? जो 5 मिनट वो खाली बैठा था उसमें he can do that. So by the time Anish is done preparing the burger, Bani is done preparing the order of second client as well. So we can say कि at what time the order of client 2 will be completely served. Under the given scenario, it will be completely served in 10:10. Under the given scenario, it will be completely served in 10:10. Yes sir, it's a cat question, guys. It's a cat question. Chalo, let's move to next question. This one is the question, a pretty tricky one. Check this out. They are allowed to work on multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be given to finish orders of the clients who placed their orders earlier. Also, assume that fourth client came in only at 10:35. So between 10 and 10:30, for how many minutes exactly one of the employees was idle? That's the question. Exactly one of the employees was idle. Attempt this, guys. You have couple of minutes. Attempt this one. You have couple of minutes, guys. Suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish orders of clients who placed their orders earlier. Also, assume that the fourth client came in only at 10:35. Between 10 and 10:30, for how many minutes is exactly one of the employees idle? Come on, boys. Sure, let's start. इस क्वेश्चन को ना टाइमलाइन में सॉल्व करते हैं अच्छे से. What is it? Here is it. चलो देखो. इसको बोलते हैं अनीश. And this is my Bani. Okay. So at 10, Anish started to work on burger. Let us say burger. Okay. Burger. And Anish finished at 10:10. Okay. Bani started at 10 and burger of client 1. Okay. They can work simultaneously. Bani started to work. He finished at 10:05. Okay, he finished at 10:05. उसने किस पे काम किया? Fries and ice cream. I'll denote them by B, F and I. B for burger, F for fries, I for ice cream. Okay. चलो. Nice. अच्छा guys, you need to consider this क्या कि बानी बिजी कितने देर के लिए था. We won't consider fries because fries के लिए ना you are not engaging anyone. Fries के लिए you are not engaging anyone, so we will ignore fries for the same. Okay, we will ignore fries. चलो देखो. No, so fries will be counted ना. Let's just say burger and fries is made by this guy. Okay, चलो. So this person here. Bani is making what? Bani is making ice cream. And he is done making ice cream at 10:02. 10:02. ठीक है? At 10:10, at 10:10, अच्छा, at 10:05, at somewhere around 10:05. 10:05, the order came in of second client. The order came in of second client. He started making fries and burger, fries and ice cream, and will be done at 10:10. Will be done at 10:10. इसको लंबा खींचते हैं 10:10. ठीक है? Of client 2, taken care of, done completely. चलो. Fries and ice cream 10:07. Will be done at 10:07. Will be done at 10:07. Fries का time we are not going to count ना. 10:07. Okay. Sure. Third order flew in at 10:07, guys. Third order flew in at 10:07. So third order came in at 10:07. He started making order of third con. Bani started making order of third client at 10:07. What is it? Burger and fries. Okay, burger and fries will end at 10:17. And 10:10 के बाद this guy is idle. Okay. And after 10:17, both of them are idle. Okay. After 10:17, both of them are idle. चलो. तो 10:17 के बाद both of them are idle. ठीक है. पहला बंदा तो 10:10 से idle है. ठीक है. So the question was for how many minutes exactly one of them was idle. तो guys keep this in mind. 10:10 से 10:17 तक only one of them was idle. कौन? Anish. 10:10 से 10:17 तक only one of them was idle and that was Anish. Okay. Also अगर आप ध्यान दोगे तो 10:02 से लेकर 10:05 तक यहाँ टाइम पीरियड में बानी वॉज आइडल. 10:02 से 10:05 तक बानी वॉज आइडल. ठीक है सर, व्हाट अबाउट 10:17 के आगे? 10:17 से 10:30 तक both were idle, so this is not we are expecting in answer. 10:17 से 10:30 तक both were idle, so ये नहीं चाहिए. What is expected in the answer? For how many minutes exactly one of them is idle? So देखो, अनीश 10 से लेके 10:10 तक बिजी था, उसके बाद वो फ्री हो गया. बानी 10 से बिजी था 10:02 तक, फिर 10:02 से 10:05 तक फ्री, और 10:05 से 10:17 तक बिजी. This gave me 10:10 से 10:17 तक Anish was free, and 10:02 से 10:05 तक Bani was free. So in all 7 plus 3, for 10 minutes exactly one of them was idle. For 10 minutes exactly one of them was idle. Am I clear with this? Yes sir, you are clear with this. चलो guys, वॉज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, हर क्वेश्चन में कुछ ना कुछ ऐड करके डेटा, कुछ ना कुछ मैनिपुलेट करके दे हैव गिवन यू अ ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द वे दे प्रेजेंट द क्वेश्चन. इस साल भी आएगा इसी तरीके से. सो आई होप यू गैज अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. जाते जाते देयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिफिकेशन. इफ यू गैज आर स्टिल कंफ्यूज्ड विद द बेसिक्स, I have discussed all the basics and has compiled all of them in a very beautiful playlist. और वो प्लेलिस्ट आपको कहाँ मिल जाएगा? प्लेलिस्ट आपको मिल जाएगा इस चैनल पे. इस चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में. दिस इज माय ऑफिशियल टेलीग्राम चैनल. एज यू कैन सी all the topics with their links, all the topics with their links, all the topics with their links. मैक्सिमा मिनिमा है या आपको यहाँ तक दिख रहा है, और भी सारे टॉपिक्स है इसमें. नॉट ओनली दिस, अगर आपका बेसिक्स हो गया है एंड यू आर लुकिंग सम एडवांस लेवल सेट्स, तो उसका भी प्लेलिस्ट है मेरे पास. एंड दिस इज गोइंग ऑन. दिस इज अभी 29 तक आप देख पा रहे हो, और 40 क्रॉस हो चुका है. विद देयर लिंक्स ऑन द चैनल इटसेल्फ. नॉट ओनली दैट, PYQs के भी है एंड ओमेट्स के लिए भी है. सो गाइज, ऑन प्रायोरिटी join this channel. Also you can connect with me over this channel if you want to discuss regarding any strategy for any of the examinations in 21 or 22 management examinations. Having said that guys, enjoy your remaining day, work hard. We'll meet tomorrow again at same time 9 p.m.